So with this event, we would like to strengthen the awareness in Cambodia for gender-sensitive and inclusive processes, show a way of looking at this issue from different perspectives. So we actually promote an interdisciplinary approach where we look at the topic from different sides of expertises, which can be quite interesting and fruitful to have a holistic approach to this.
This workshop, it really brings me an awareness to understand that gender inclusive also an opportunity to design. Also, it's tasks that give an option for the user.
I think this workshop is really interesting. It brings me new experience throughout the communication and acknowledge individuals as experts of their living conditions, such as under their perspective, learn from their experiences and face them with their problems.